Expel all excess fluid and air from your body to reduce swelling and weigh less in a matter of 7 days. In a pot, put the peel of half a washed and disinfected pineapple, add 2 cinnamon sticks and 1.5 liters of filtered water, let it boil for about 10 minutes, then remove from the stove and add 2 tablespoons of hibiscus. Let it infuse for a few minutes. The pineapple peel has an anti-inflammatory action, in addition to improving physical vigor, being an antioxidant, and a diuretic. Hibiscus, in turn, can also help the body eliminate excess fluid. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar and improves the flavor of the drink. Drink a glass right away and store what's left in the refrigerator to drink throughout the day. For more remedies, drop a yes, I need more. Yes, I will try it. Thank you very much.